Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review an active speakers from the company called Jamo, and this particular model is called Jamo P404, and many of you might have heard about this company called Jamo. They are a Danish loudspeakers company who make those loudspeakers ranging from studio monitors to home theater system. So let's talk about the build quality first. This really looks really high quality. It has this gloss finish, as you can see. As you can see that this is like this feels very high quality, like very premium. And now let's talk about the connectivity. As you can see from backside, uh, actually one of this is the active and the other piece is a passive one, because this doesn't have that amplifier inside. As you can see, this one is actually the passive one, and it gets those power from this active side. As you can see, there are a lot of connections here, ranging from those auxiliary, and then there is those optical connections. So many connections there, and as you can see, there is also sub out, and then it has some wireless module. It's especially made for this model. It's called WR200, and there is this base port. As you can see that it has almost everything what is needed for active speaker, and there is a volume control also. Now it comes with a little remote control which has this volume, and then it also has this bass and treble button, along with all those sources like auxiliary 1, 2, optical 1 and 2. That's very little footprint, as you can see. As you can see that this is active speakers. It doesn't need a external amplifier, so you can directly connect the speaker wire from the left speaker to the right one. So I'm going to use auxiliary cable, and let's check the sound. I don't know, for some reason it didn't work, so I'm going to use this RCA cable to check the sound from the speakers. As you can see that the power is on, and now it's ready to get audio signal from the source.